Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I'll be showing you how you can reset your Adobe Illustrator settings to the default. Let's get started. First, to reset your preferences, you need to go to the edit. And here at the bottom, there's an option for preferences. And just click on general. And here are tons of options that you may have changed over time. Now to reset them, just click on general and click on reset preferences. Once you do that, there will be a warning that your preferences will be reset only when you restart your Adobe Illustrator. Just click on OK. And now click on restart. Now our preferences and settings are reset. Now let's reset our workspace that include these layers panel as well. For that you need to click on window. And here on the fourth option there's an option for workspace. And now click on reset essentials. Once you click here, now you can see all of the panels are now back in their position. You can always select your any workspace that you want. And now you can reset them. And after resetting your workspace, let's go to the toolbar and reset that. For that you need to click on these three dots. And now just click on these three dots and line. And click on reset. This will reset your toolbar and the other options. And that's how you can reset your Adobe Illustrator settings to default. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.